Welcome to JH. Bloxhop.org claims to be your one-stop shop for grow a garden items, steal a brain characters, and those precious Blox fruits, or Roblox pets. Because apparently, we all need more digital pixels to feel truly complete. But the big question remains, is this place actually legit, or are you just throwing your money into a digital void? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's look at the positives. The website was registered in March 2024, meaning it didn't just pop up during your lunch break. While being a few months old doesn't exactly make it the Vatican of trust, it's slightly more reliable than a domain registered 5 minutes ago by a guy in a basement. They also clearly explain the process from purchase to in-game delivery, which is a nice change of pace. Most scam sites prefer to keep you in the dark, but Bloxshop actually tells you how to use their service. They even offer a live chat and an email address, providing multiple ways to reach someone who might eventually ignore you. Now, let's talk about the reviews, where the plot thickens like a cheap stew. On Trustpilot, Bloxshop boasts a 4.8-star rating, which looks impressive until you realize the rating is currently unavailable due to a breach of guidelines. Translation: they likely got caught trying to manipulate their own score. It's like a student getting an A+, but then being suspended for stealing the answer key. This makes their glowing reputation a bit hard to swallow. Checking external platforms like Reddit reveals a community that is more mixed than a budget salad. Some users swear the site is legit, claiming they receive their items within an hour by following the instructions like they were disarming a bomb. However, others report massive delays lasting weeks, refund confusion, and a support team that seems to be perpetually on vacation. Since it's a reseller marketplace, your delivery speed depends entirely on whether your specific seller feels like being productive today. So, is Bloxhop.org legit? Based on the evidence, it's not an outright scam, but it's certainly not a 5-star experience either. It's inconsistent, risky, and has more red flags than a parade in Moscow. If you decide to roll the dice, proceed with extreme caution and a massive dose of patience. Thanks for watching until the end. Subscribe for more updates and honest reviews that actually tell it like it is.